Christmas time, folks, and Christmas is a time of giving. So in our final product release this year, we are going to give away a massive bundle of not only one, but 10 front-end products that we sold during the past year with a total value for this bundle of $1,247. And not only that, we are not stopping here. We are going to give away 4 amazing bonuses that could have been sold separately themselves.
But during this launch, running up to and through Christmas, we are going to be giving away this product for the one-time price that you see in the link below. Now, let's look at some of the amazing products that you are going to get with a 21 golden bundle. So you're going to get products such as Absolute Profits, which is basically a business in a box, which gives you the right roadmap to get results in no time. And also you're going to get the golden standard. This is where you can do YouTube videos without actually putting your face on camera, which is pretty good. And then you're going to get turbo traffic. This is where you're going to learn a method where you can build an automated traffic source. That's basically where we've actually helped made 21,000 subscribers and buyers that can help buy your products, which is pretty good. And then there's another product, got quite a lot of products. It's Set and Forget Traffic. This is where you're going to get access to a secret underground traffic source. So remember, it's a secret. Don't tell anyone. And with this secret underground traffic source, you're going to be able to send free traffic to any link and have an opportunity to get quite a lot of good results. And then we've got money magnets. Now, with money magnets, you can build daily passive income streams, all right? And a lot more. Now, that is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot, much more products from marketers such as Wilson Nova, who you saw first, me, Arinzi Gold, and who you can see next, Neda Fernandez. All right. And also, yeah, we got products by the top super affiliate, Dord Islam, as well, all in this super bargain bundle. So you are going to get a massive amount of knowledge from some of the best marketers in the business that are going to help you transform your results in 2022.
That's right. These 10 products and 4 bonuses have value over $1,200 if you purchase them individually. But we are not asking for even a fraction of that price. You can pick up a 21 bundle for a fraction of that price today during this launch period. And as it is the special season of Christmas, so we have given it at a discount. If you see this in the new year, you'd probably be paying much more, but it will still be a bargain because you would not be paying for each of these products individually. Okay. So get this at the lowest price possible now. And you can also do something, as it is the time of giving. You can also pick it up for possibly a marketing friend or someone who might be interested in this, in getting business tools at a bargain. Okay, so this is the best time to pick it up. Click on the link below and I will see you on the inside. Take care.
In the one-horse race.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.